Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? What's going on this time? Hedera Hashgraph condition is very critical now. In last 1 month, reason my friend when I check out, so definitely it's going very badly, fellas down. But no, my friend, YouTuber can tell you this to what they do, my friend, in last 1 month. Absolutely, they will just and only show you the short pump, and my friends give you advice to buy it, hold it, and starting selling here. Do this. What I, my friends, this is all just and only absolutely time pass. So please don't do this mistake, my friend. First of all, see the last 1 month chart, the last 2 month chart. This is very important for all of you to check out the background of every coin, my friends, to what they do in the few, my friend, in the past, and what can, my friends, they will do in the future. This is very important for all of you now. So my friend, in this month, as this month, absolutely you can see here minus 14.79%. The price change according to here, they were fails down. But don't worry, my friend, as you can see here, the highest price is 0.56 USD dollar, but the latest, the current price is 0.33 USD dollar. So this is mean, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph price will dumps down and decrease now. But don't worry, my friends, absolutely after a dump, every coin will pumps up also. So this is does not mean to I tell you, my friend, to this coin is bad, please don't starting investing, sell it. But remember, I just give you a real news, real update. So my friend, if we check out the last 3 days chart, the last 3 days you can see minus 10.54% they were lost. So this is mean, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph or fails down this all month. And don't worry, my friend, remember to it, the last of every month every coin will pumps up, but in the start of month every coin were very badly fails down. So therefore I will clearly notify you to don't starting selling if they were fails down. So this is does not mean to you are starting selling. You will need to hold on. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. See you next time, Hedera Hashgraph holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.